Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to add your address to Google Chrome. By doing this, you'll save time when filling out forms on websites that require your address. Instead of typing it manually each time, Chrome will remember it and fill it in for you with just a click. It's a great time saver. Not only that, but it also reduces the hassle of repeatedly typing the same details. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, open Google Chrome. You may have encountered websites that ask for your address. If you haven't saved it in Chrome, you'd need to fill in these forms manually, which can be time-consuming. Fortunately, Chrome allows you to save your address so that it can autofill these fields for you when needed. Once saved, Google Chrome will ask for your permission whenever a form requires your address, and with your approval, it'll fill everything in automatically. Here's how you can set it up. First, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then, go to Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find the Autofill and Passwords section. Click on it and then select Addresses and More. You'll see an option to enable Save and Fill Addresses. This includes details like your phone number, email, and shipping address. If you want Chrome to save this information for future use, click the Add button. Now, just fill in your address details once in the form, and from then on, Chrome will automatically fill it for you whenever required. For now, I'll enter some random values to demonstrate how this works. Once you've entered all the details, click the Save button. After saving, you'll see that Chrome has successfully recorded your address. The next time you visit a site that requires your address, Chrome will prompt you to autofill the form. For example, if I click here, you'll notice that Chrome offers a prompt to fill in the details automatically. All I need to do is click on it. And just like that, the fields are filled instantly. You've just saved both time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.